prior to the concert. Now? Yeah, in the Shark Village Hotel and Spa. This is the entrance. Nice place. All right.
Yung sa father's side ko po, short story, my mom and dad, separated po sila.
I love you just as I love myself. This is for everybody. It's called I'll Play Me Back Again. Play me the classics, something romantic, in my own when I don't even know. Walang ibang tatanggapin. Ikaw at ikaw. Sa tuwing lalapit may paalam. Sa aking mata ang laban. Can't believe that you are mine now. We want to succeed. You know the song? Sing on. Bakit na ba mahal kita? Sakit ay sa hanap. Ito na ang gabing walang huwag. Sana naman. Ganito na lang. Since tinanong niyo ako ng about letting go, ano to? Kwentuhan na lang to eh. Masaya kaya? It's just another way to say I'll always.
Hindi yan yung original natin.
Hindi nga ito yun. Staring at the moon, waiting for the stars to fall.
Yeah.
Tumatalon ka.